Hello, beautiful people. So this is my bathtub. I'm going to share with you the ultimate relaxing bath experience. What I do to relax completely, to relieve all of my stress. This is what I do. I'm going to show you right here today with these products right here. This Abra sleep therapy bath, stress therapy bath. I use both of these. They are extremely relaxing and they are hypoallergenic. So won't cause any infections or anything. And this Jason Calming Lavender Body Wash Gel is my favorite. Use it all the time. So that's what I'm gonna do. So join me if you want to know how I relieve stress and relax. This is how I do it right here in this wonderful bath that I'm finna take. Finna show you. So if you want to see, you know what to do. So while my water is running, when it's half full, that's when I take the bath salts and I sprinkle them in there. You have to do this so it dissolves before you get in. Right before I get in this luscious bath, I can't wait to jump in. Take this mixture. It's lavender, pure lavender and grapeseed oil, and I sprinkle some in. Not too much, but I'll sprinkle some in there to make sure that my skin is baby soft. That's what I do. And so I also close my shower curtain here. And this is the ambience with the shower curtain closed. Can you see how relaxing this is? The world is tuned out. Everything is tuned out. So I can relax in this luscious bath. I usually stay in here about 30 minutes. At least 30 minutes. That's what I do. And so this is so relaxing. Sometimes I even make it darker. See that? The ambience. So I can relax and soothe away all my worries and anxiety. This is what I do. So I encourage you to do the same. I try to do this at least 2 to 3 times a week to relieve my stress and worry and fears, just anything type of anxiety. And this helps. All goes down the drain when I finish. And I make sure I stir the water. You gotta make sure you hand stir the soap in the water to make sure it dissolves. I do this, but the water is hot, so it's not hot, but it's like a really nice warm. And so I do that to make sure it's all dissolved, and it was all dissolved because I put it in there soon enough. Okay, so I just wanted to share this with you because a lot of people don't know how to take a stress relieving bath, and so I want to show you this is what I do. This is what I do. Let me know what you do. What products do you use to help you to super duper relax? And so this is my ultimate relaxing experience. This is my ultimate relaxing experience I want to share with you. Chat with you later. Bye-bye.